And now it's
Yeah,
starting, and now
but the quality is very bad.
the
Okay,
quality.
now I can see. Now
Now
it's
you
good.
can see
It's
it.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here it's what's special now is that what you already see that we have an interface. You know it already. That's
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, that's the interface that everything is working at the terminal and in the internet for testing. But what is new is we can also have other uh, other things
You have a
to
lot. Oh, so you have shortcut keys. So when you click on it,
no, this view that shows all 326 um,
yeah,
things that possible. For example, when
yeah.
I say here, when I say, for example, that's a number for a city in the near. When I
Mm-hmm.
say this one, then it enters the text into this one, and then when I test it, then I get the number from this city. And when I
Yeah.
go here, then I see all the available um, 326 things that are actually um, programmed. And another one that's also very pretty nice is other browser that's oh, therefore I need to open a terminal. Then I therefore need to go um, to the project folder, and then I need to open tools, search rules. And then we see here another one. I can do this
Mm-hmm.
nearly the same thing, but it's now more, it's more like, look, when we go here for the for fully pulling in, then we can go here and I go for pulling in, and then we
Or
see
you can
all
search it.
yeah, we see all the source code, and it's a fuzzy search, and then we see the thing here. This this is the
Mm-hmm.
reason. That's the reason why this happens, and then we can edit it by simply press the Enter key. When I press Enter, then it opens in editor, so I
Oh,
can,
it goes straight to the code.
and it goes straight to the line where it's written, exactly
Mm.
at this line. And when we want to have when we want to change it, then it's instantly working.
Yeah, it's easier.
It's very easy. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
quite
I
nice.
yeah, and then I change forward, pulling also pulling in, but I need to type correctly. Um, pulling in, then it should
It's
be
gonna
right.
give you a number and high. You see?
Should be working. Yes, it's
There you go.
yeah, yeah. And
That's
this is
actually quite
very
good.
pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite quick as well.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, so that's what the script does when I was running. Because when I was running it, it just put open the file for me on my Visual Studio.
Yeah, this is a copy group. Is a pretty nice clipboard manager. So this is all my clipboard on this side, 5,000 clipboard entries.
Right.
And yeah, so I never forgot clipboard.
Yeah.
And here are all the commands. And for the commands, there's a good documentation. Um, I can show, maybe I show it in double command. That's a nice, nice file explorer. And when we go to the documentation, and then there's developer guides, and then sorry, developer guides, yes, and then we go for map maintenance tools, and then we see how it works. But this is not so pretty in this editor. What's also nice, we can have it more pretty when I go here, and it remembers the last entry, and when I
Mm-hmm.
press Control Go G, then it jumps into GitHub. Then
Oh, for real?
then it opens it exactly at the GitHub page. So where it stands here, and but this is also limited to the maps. My idea was to limit it to all the maps because all the source code is maybe too much, because
Yeah,
then you have too many.
some identity.
Yeah, then you have too many results, and that's maybe confusing. And when you go here, then the documentation is much more pretty. There's a markdown, nice rendering. And you go here for feature spotlines and go here for developers. No, it's not a feature. It's at developers guide, and then go for map maintenance tool. Then we have here a little bit explanation what happens there. So why we see all this stuff. It explains a little bit that there's a tool that checks all the entries and puts then text to it. And this text can be read by this tool, and therefore this text happens there on this tool. Yeah, and that's the thing, and therefore it's this is the map tagger, and the map tagger makes the text, and then we have all the views here. What you already see. I think now I eventually can now stop the video, because people don't want to have very long videos, so it's better to keep it short. Do you want say some last sentences eventually, or a last sentence or so? I don't know. It's
No, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. That seems quite nice. I can see it. And this was the one which it took 5 hours, yeah?
Yeah, that's
What's the error you were trying to fix?
Oh, there's no. My error was something else. I can also show you maybe first. When we go here to the Brecht, and there are in the config files zip files. For example, this one, and this is more secure now, because when you go in here into, we cannot read it. If you open it, then we get a very long password. And this is a pretty good encrypted one. The last solution we got was not so very good encrypted. And when we, and this is the same folder here. This is automatically synchronized. When we go here and change something, then it's automatically updated in the zip.
And in the zip file. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, and all folders with the underscore are not in the repository. They are automatically ignored. And also the password, there's the password in all files with the dot are the password. So this is the password for this folder or this tip. And what we need to have is something as a script into this where a special function is in. This is the function on folder change. So all the time you have a change in the folder, then the script search this function in another script, and then it executes everything what in this function. So in this case, it's a pugger, secure pugger, and it makes the zip files. But it can also something else, anything what you want. Okay, now I stop the video. Thank you.